What I love about Collision is that regardless of the size of your company, you can come and get a lot of value.
You're able to share your ideas, you're able to participate regardless of where you are in the journey of creation.
The startup focus is what makes it Collision, and that's what makes it so special.
Collision does exactly what it's meant to do, bring people together and do some awesome colliding.
Pitch competition, I think, is really about getting your idea out there and getting really true, authentic feedback so you can better your company and your product. It's incredibly valuable.
Had one mentor hour and we asked if we could have another one. Now I have a lot of information I'm going to take back.
Night Summit, I think, really sets Collision apart from all the other events. It's the best place to figure out what's going on in the tech industry.